charismatic, and very beautiful. You can see, I asked her to tone down her beauty when she comes in today.
Please restrict your comments to her resume.
It is there, most beautiful girl in Nigeria.
Senator Ome, restrict yourself to her resume.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Politics Today. I'm your brother Secret. When Bianca Ojukwu was nominated as a cabinet minister to go for screening, I raised an alarm that this appointment will not serve the interest of the Igbo race. Because this woman represents, she's a symbol. She stands for something. Because when we see her, we remember that great leader, Dim Bianca Ojukwu. So, she carries the image of this man, the glory of this man, the name, the honor that should be due to this man. And I did appeal to her that Tinubu's government is not a government you can serve. The caliber of politicians, 99.9% of them are predominantly men of questionable character. They have nothing to offer. Bianca Ojukwu, you can't go among these people. I raised that alarm. But it's as if that appeal did not get to her. And she went for screening. You can now see the disgrace. You can now see the disgrace. Senators talking about she is very beautiful. Who is not beautiful? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Akpabio and Co. Victor Ume, all of you, they are senators. Who is not beautiful? She is very beautiful. And you start hearing the joke. Who touched my Bianca? Coming from Akpabio. Who touched my Bianca? And the woman that should frown her face and be serious was smiling like on that 16 young girl that have just fallen in love for the first time. Smiling. She is beautiful. She was so excited about that such discussion that is meaningless. We Igbo elders bowed our head in shame. We were so disappointed. No elder will watch what happened during that screening. I will not be disappointed.
It is there,
You know why I'm saying that?
It is there, most beautiful girl in Nigeria.
Senator Ome, restrict yourself to her resume.
Okay.
We'll go
Thank you.
We'll go into social media
Thank
Google.
you.
I will ask a question. Who touched my Bianca?
Can you imagine? Who touched my Bianca? Look at the way Akpabio is even making joke out of it. They will now say, who touched my Bianca? Who is your Bianca, Akpabio? Who be your Bianca? And this is the expensive joke I don't like. This is one of the reasons why I don't even want this lady, this ex-beauty queen, still a beauty queen, to associate herself with these people. Everything for them na joke. These are a bunch of failures. On the floor of the Senate, see how they are making joke with the beauty of a woman. The wife of our internal leader, now when I use the talk, is very beautiful. Who asks you? Whether she is beautiful or not, can't you keep it in your heart?
This is just the beginning. And the days ahead, even the assignment they will be giving to her. It's so unfortunate. We'll continue to pray for her to actually know what she represents, the image she carries, that she's a symbol representing something deeper than she thinks. She must remember she is carrying the name of a great leader of all time. It's so unfortunate. May God help us. We are trying to bear the pain of what we witnessed during the screening of Bianca Ojukwu. The senators brought themselves so low. And she contributed to that because they said she added it there. Former beauty pageant was added. So that is part of a selling point. Former beauty pageant. She's very beautiful. So shameful, so disgusting. Bianca Ojukwu, remember who you are. Remember whose name you carry. May God help us, the Igbo elders, to bear the pain of this development.